The blue-crowned hanging parrot inhabits misty lowland forests where dense foliage and quiet streams create a secluded sanctuary for its flocks. It feeds mainly on soft fruits, buds, and nectar, flitting through canopy layers to exploit fleeting food pockets, often sharing space with flowering trees that attract other nectar feeders. Interactions with other species range from peaceful overlap with small arboreal mammals to competitive pursuits with similarly sized parrots during fruiting seasons. Conservation efforts emphasize habitat restoration, community science programs, and protected corridors that connect fragmented forest patches for safer foraging routes. Viewers can support by joining citizen science projects, supporting reputable reserves, and spreading awareness of forest conservation worldwide.